For the company as a whole, though, you're in sort of a rebuilding year, are you not? As a lot of your drugs come off patent protection, and you're looking into your pipeline and trying to pick and bring out, I guess, new winners. What do you have in the pipeline that you're most optimistic about?
We have 40 products in clinical development. We have 40 medicines in clinical stage in our pipeline. So we are very optimistic that we will be able to bring, if not all of them, because we always face some setback in research and development, but the majority of them we hopefully will make it, and that will fuel our growth in the future. So in the short term, we are facing generic exposure. Only in 2023, this is really a very specific year, but after in 24 and beyond, our generic exposure is much less, and we have this product of 40 medicines which will progress and will fuel our growth in the future.
You know, Christophe, for Big Pharma, there's always this dilemma, right? It's nice to be able to do your own R&D, come up with your own drugs, and hopefully at least one of them or more than that are going to be winners. But a faster and easier, although sometimes more expensive way to do it is to buy growth through acquisition. About 7 months ago, you bought a experimental psoriasis drug from Nimbus, a U.S. pharma, for $6 billion. How are you executing on that? And are there other potential acquisitions in the pipeline for Takeda? And can you tell us, if so, what sorts of verticals are you looking to fill?
Sure. You know, our R&D strategy is to have internal expertise in some key diseases like gastroenterology, oncology, neuroscience. That's where we very much focus. So we have our own research team, our own development team. But when we can, we are also very keen to enrich our pipeline to bring external product that we can assess well because we have this internal expertise. And this is what we did recently. We added this very exciting molecule, which could be potentially best in class to treat many diseases, psoriasis, psoriatic arthritis, ulcerative colitis, for example. So we have really this complementary strategy with strong in-house expertise and also sometimes business development to even have a stronger pipeline.